The fastest way to make a layout feel cinematic is by creating depth that feels natural instead of forced. Today, how to explore cinematic depth compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert one wide rectangular frame and place your image inside, adjusting the crop carefully for dramatic focus. Duplicate the frame several times, enlarging each layer slightly while lowering opacity to build smooth depth behind the main subject. Add one smaller overlapping frame for contrast and visual layering. Select the background and apply a dark muted gradient to enhance atmosphere. Add subtle blur overlays and soft shadows for realism. Use position tools to organize the